You're ordering 2 pair.
Yes. 4 gloves.
4 gloves. This is how many you get. I have hands all over me. This is the gray damask, by the way.
Yes, it is gorgeous.
And you may order them in, I think in most of them, we have small and large.
Yeah, so small is a small, medium, large is a large, extra large. David wears the extra large, I wear the large, I wear the small.
And because these, is this a large pair?
Nope.
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 I'm gonna have to grab
one from over there. Hi, everybody.
The
Hi.
reason that you want to have these oven gloves is because they allow you to pick up hot things with the dexterity of your hand.
Exactly, because they're a glove. So there's a couple of reasons why I designed these the way that I did. First and foremost, to David's point, it is a glove. So what's nice about that is you have the ability to use your fingers. Front and back has the silicone, so there's no right hand, no left hand. Extended cuff, so when you're reaching into the oven, you never have to worry about, again, bumping into those racks that we so commonly do, and many of us have scars right there. No worries. So again, layer upon layer of protection for your hands each and every time. Thank you.
All right, now one of our colors is a special markdown.
Oh, I did not know that.
And it's the yellow.
Oh, perfect.
The Hello Yellow.
Hello Yellow, which we brought back in honor of our anniversary.
So let's tell you, the yellow is $14.98. All other colors are $16.98.
Got it. For 4.
And we have, and for 4 gloves, 2 pair, right? And we have small and large in the yellow for $14.98 and $98. Now here's the black. I also have blue. Here's gray damask. Paul Fetty.
Love.
Believe buttercream. Pumpkin patch. Classic harvest. Candy corn. Only 300. Christmas trees. Christmas lights. I think just lights.
The lights.
Lights. And then back to that markdown of Hello Yellow.
And I think there's 2 colors that we don't have, Holly Berry here in the studio and green classic.
Okay, there's
Rumor
green
has it.
on the air, or on .com rather, and Holly Berry on QVC.com, and we have 300. Do we have both large and small in both of those? We do. Okay, Tara.
Yes.
This is a dynamic way to handle all hot things in your kitchen.
Exactly.
Right?
Like we always talk about this being kind of like an extreme demonstration, but the fact that you can take a boiling tea kettle, you can see that coming right off of there, all of that steam, and I'm actually holding it. Do I feel a little warmth? I absolutely do, but it's not burning me. So I'm able to come in and out of the oven. I'm able to come in and out of the microwave, the fridge, the freezer. These are what we love about Temp-tations, the fact that you have the right tool in the kitchen when you're going in and out of hot things.
Yeah, I feel the warmth, but I'm not being scalded.
That's
I'm
correct.
not being burned.
Right.
I mean, my face is not wincing, right? This is what it's so about. What it's all about. And you're also not melting the glove. These are little silicone designs.
Yeah,
right?
Silicone designs that give you, again, that dexterity when you're opening jars. Maybe, again, your hands are not as strong as they used to be. Now you used to have to go find that silicone little square piece we all had. Now you can literally just go ahead and pop them with that non-slip grip. So
under the tree guarantee.
I love that. Does that mean they get it in time for Christmas?
That means they get it in time for Christmas. You pay the regular shipping and handling. Santa and Rudolph will take care of the extra.
Both are delivering it. I just found out.
Yeah,
I get it now.
And these are rocketing out of our warehouse as soon as you place an order. If you're ready to order, we're ready to ship. And when I tell you we're ready to ship, I mean like yesterday.
Yeah.
So look at that. You're putting your hand on a hot burner.
I'm putting my hand right on the hot burner, and I'm also showing you, you know, our Le Creuset pieces, that cast iron, how hot they get. My mom always slides her hand under because she doesn't have the strength in her wrists anymore. So again, these are the right tool in the kitchen that you're going to use time and time again. And we hear it over and over from so many of you that you even take it out to the grill and you've flipped your potatoes right from the grill or your corn on the cob.
Or you reach in the back of the oven and you grab the potato that got pushed
fell
to
down.
the back. Yeah.
Yes, exactly.
All right, now we have a color markdown, and that's the yellow at $14.98. I only have 1,700, and we have both large and small. Now here's black. Very popular. We have large and small. Okay, we're going to assume we have large and small unless my producer tells me different. All right, here's blue. Both. Gray damask. Both sizes. Paul Fetty. Large only in Paul Fetty.
Oh.
All right, now here is your Believe and buttercream. 1,500, both. This is pumpkin patch. Both. Oh, small only. Small only in pumpkin patch.
There you go.
Here is classic harvest. Both sizes, only 900. Candy corn. Both sizes, only 300. Christmas trees. large only 6 dozen. Lights, large only 6 dozen. And online we have the green and we have the, is it hollyberry?
It's the hollyberry, yes, exactly.
We have green in both sizes. Hollyberry. Both sizes, but only 300 total to go around. Now, over 900 sets are gone.
Yeah.
And we have 700 people all waiting to place orders.
So here's what we love about it, right? Being able to reach right into your oven. A lot of times we grab the tongs, we're like grabbing that rack and trying to pull it out. You can literally reach right into the oven, whether it's your countertop oven or your traditional oven, and you can bump around in here, even touching the broiler coils up top. Again, I don't have to worry about that. But being able to come out with a piece of our Temp-tations and either using the gloves as that great trivet. We have these cooling racks coming up in a little bit, but I love the fact, yes, more of our potatoes au gratin. We just borrowed these. We were showing you this baker a little bit earlier, but I love that you can also use the gloves as trivets as well. So whether you're flipping bacon, that's one of the things that I absolutely love these for.
No popping or burning,
No
right?
popping or burning. And then
Might pop, but it
again,
won't burn you.
taking something like that tea kettle that we know is boiling and being able to put it on your hand, put it on David's hand. I know he only has one over here. Put it right there. You'll feel a little bit, well, you tell them. You'll feel a little bit of heat.
You feel a little warmth, but you're not being burned or scalded.
Yeah.
And that's the most amazing
best
part of
part.
this. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Everybody is saying, wait, will I get these in time for Christmas, for holiday dinner? Yes.
Absolutely.
So you pay the regular shipping, and Santa and Rudolph will put the sleigh in fast gear and get it right to your house. This is very, very popular. We are very, very busy. How many gone now, Sean? 1,400 sets are now gone.
Thank you.
You're bringing a great big platter to the dinner table with a spiral cut ham.
And then how do you wash them, right? Throw them right into your washing machine. You're just going to let them dry flat because of that silicone. You don't want to do anything there. So if you stick your finger in something and it's all dirty, no worries. You put it right in the washer. It comes out clean every time.
You know what? The other day I made mac and cheese with whole wheat pasta.
Oh.
And I went to take it out with an oven mitt and it got all filthy.
And then what'd you do?
And, well,
Threw it out?
no.
Wasn't my oven mitt,
No,
clearly.
it wasn't your oven mitt. I should have had your oven mitt.
I was just going to say, now
But
we
I
know.
didn't.
Now we know for future.
And it is in my drawer right now, filthy.
I'm sorry to hear that.
But the mac and cheese was good.
Yeah, that's all that matters, right? I mean, everything else you can clean up.
All right, we are very, very busy. How many are gone now, Sean? 1,700 sets are gone. So everybody stay on the line. Remember, the one color marked down is the yellow, and that's checking in at $14.98.
And they're on sale. We love a sale.
All right, now,
We love a sale.
is Tara staying here? Oh, we're going
I'm
to see
coming back.
you later.
Yeah, I'm coming back with the cooling racks.
with the cooling racks.
Okay.
All right, time for us to do a little clearance pricing with Prepology. Here we go. And we can mark on the outside of this slow cooker, Go Team Go, holiday celebration, what the recipe is, and it comes with white